How to withdraw money from Metamask to bank account. Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of Metamask wallet to your bank account. Now, if you've been using Metamask to store your crypto, you may have realized that you can't just withdraw at a bank. Instead, you need to move your funds through an exchange or a third-party service that can convert crypto into traditional money. So, you're going to open up your Metamask app just like this and look at your assets. Maybe you have Ethereum, maybe you have USDT or another token. The first step is to make sure your funds are in a form that can be withdrawn. Most exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken accept major coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, or stable coins. So if your token is something smaller, you may need to swap it inside MetaMask first. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the swap option over here. And once you do this, you'll need an exchange account connected to your bank. So for example, Coinbase makes it very easy to withdraw to a US bank account. Binance works worldwide in many regions. So simply send this money out to any exchange out there like Binance or Coinbase. And from those, you connect your bank account and simply withdraw your money to there. Now that is how you can withdraw money from MetaMask to bank account. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.